Hi everyone. Welcome back to GSD Solutions. And today we're going to show you how to use Microsoft Copilot to take smart, automatic notes during your team's meetings. If you've ever struggled to write everything down while trying to stay focused, this tool is going to change the game. Copilot is your AI-powered assistant built right into Microsoft 365. In Teams, it helps you capture the most important parts of a meeting without you having to type a thing. When you're in a Teams meeting, just look for the Copilot icon at the top of the screen. Click it, and Copilot will start listening and taking smart notes in real time. It can highlight key points and decisions, action items, questions asked during the meeting, and even who said what. You can also ask it things like, "What were the next steps from this meeting?" or summarize what John said about the timeline. Once the meeting ends, Copilot gives you a clean, easy-to-read summary. You'll see organized notes, decisions, and tasks that you can save, share, or copy into an email or document. No more juggling between listening and typing. With Copilot, you can be fully present in the conversation and let AI handle the rest. So next time you're in a Teams meeting, give Copilot a try and see how it helps you stay organized and stress-free. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching GSD Solutions. See you next time.